Okay. The blue is what you should take notes on. I would write it down. Those are your vocab words. So main idea, write down what main idea is. Okay, so you'll go through here. You'll do these little questions as you go. You'll see there's 27 of these slides. And then at the end, you'll take a mastery test. So what you'll do is pretty much one of these a day is how you pace it out. So I'll put it in your agenda as just one activity. So this is one activity, making sense, and the mastery test. This is one day. So you do this Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then you have the progress check on Friday. Okay? So you just pretty much do one a day when you have exact path on your agenda. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know.